Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by prepping the phone, enable developer options and USB debugging, then allow installations from unknown sources or plan ADB sideloading. Once done, confirm your device runs Android 8, 0 or higher and has at least 5 GB free. This prevents install failures. Make sure to back up or record your current launcher choice so you can revert if needed. Now download the compatible Pixel Launcher APK variant for your Android version and get ready for the install step. You will now install the APK. If using ADB, connect your device and run a db install R Pixel Launcher. Apt to replace older builds, otherwise tap the downloaded APK and follow prompts. Once installed, open the app to grant home screen and notification access and any storage permissions it asks for. That enables widgets and search. If the launcher requires a companion widget or Google app variant, install those next. Make sure to set Pixel Launcher as your default home app so it launches. Finish by customizing the new launcher. Adjust icon size, grid, and swipe gestures to match Pixel behavior. Once done, reboot the device to ensure widgets and the search bar initialize correctly. Many issues resolve after a restart. If the launcher crashes or shows errors, clear its cache and app data, then reinstall the exact APK matching your Android build. And if permissions block features, recheck app permissions. Doing this usually recovers search, widgets, and instant app shortcuts without further steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.